everybody. I want to do my makeup and then later and doing my makeup. And doing my makeup and doing my makeup. What?
I think I'll take this. You gonna show them your makeup you got for Christmas? The makeup is by Glamour Girl Collection by Make It Up. You wanna pull it out and show it to them? You wanna put it on the table? Show them what you got. Let's see. It came with this mommy has it. It came with this really cute pouch. Really cute pouch to keep all the makeup in. It looks super realistic. You got you some makeup brushes in here that are really, you know, makeup brushes. You want to show them your lipstick? Roll it up. Show them your lipstick. Put your lipstick on your face. So we got baby. And also, you can't do makeup without mascara. So